Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2017 Foton Tunland, stock number 6648. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 6th 2019. Now here's a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror, front bonnet no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right hand mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch. Manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front pedestal up, sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,